And I'll say the exact words.
So this is my school established in 1923. You see over there. That's where teachers sit. They call it staff room.
No! No! Why? Why?
These are classes here. It's all boys now. It used to be mixed day school. Now it's
Wait,
boarding.
Daddy, so it can rain right here.
We're boarding at the same time too.
It
But
can rain.
only boys. They didn't have any girls.
Daddy, it can rain right here. And in the middle, on that side, it can't be raining. Can that happen? Where it can rain here, but not. But that's like 2 feet away.
I know. That's my high school. So that's us.
Later,
My old high school here.
if he does not stop this video later, oh no, it's only 59. Okay, later, guys, please join us on our adventure to the ocean. We are in Africa and Mombasa. Right now it's a 10 out of 10. The hotel is a 13 out of 10. I know you can't go over 10 if it's 10 out of 10, but 10 out of 10 is the highest for 10. But if you guys live in Africa or close to Africa where it's just a straight flight, come here and go to Mombasa, or just go straight from.
Alright, we'll see you on the next video.
Or,
Alright?
okay,
So-
basically